Good afternoon, children. Welcome back.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Okay. Now, after properties of rational numbers, we are moving to how to depict a rational number on a number line. Okay. To represent other numbers, whole numbers, integers, natural numbers, we know how to represent on a number line. I will show how we are representing numbers on a number line. That you have already studied on a number line. We can represent infinite number of numbers on a number line, isn't it? See, see these are this is a number line which represent whole numbers. Whole numbers starts from 1, 2, 3, etc. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. That line continues. Okay. So it is a number line that represent natural numbers. Whole numbers, if we include 0 also, the number line represents whole numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. 8. Okay. Integers. See, integers, both the side of 0, right side we have positive integers and left side we have negative integers. Middle value 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. To the right, 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3 to the left. Now we are going to represent rational numbers. Okay, between 0 and 1, 1 by 2 is the mid value. 1 by 2 means half of the length between 0 and 1. 1 by 2 represent the mid value of mid value between 0 and 1. Okay, instead of mid value, any rational number we can represent on number line. So that we are going to study. So you give a heading, representation of rational numbers on number line. Representation of rational numbers on the number line, and take your scale and pencil. Representation of rational numbers on the number line. Representation of rational numbers on the number line. Okay, and you draw a number line. This one shows both positive integers and negative integers. Draw that one. This third one, draw a number line which shows both positive and negative integers. This one, draw this. Third one, only that. It's our usual number line which represents integers.
We have to draw number
This
line.
one, only this one, this third one, which represent positive and negative integers. Only that. Draw that. Third one. Okay. Is it over? Renan, zero. Is that over? Renan.
No, ma'am, some more.
Who's this? EE. Who's this? Who's this EE? Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. Children say good afternoon to sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay. So next we are going to represent rational numbers on number line. Okay. For that, take a next page. Write a question. Represent 2 by 3. Represent 2 by 2 by 3. Represent 2 by 3 on number line. Represent 2 by 3 on the number line. First question. Represent 2 by 3 on the number line. Two by 3 on the number line. Okay. 2 by 3. 2 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator. Then Surja. 2 by 3 is a number which lies between which of the two integers? 2 by 3 lies between
1 by 3 and minus 1 by 3.
integers.
Oh, minus 1 by 3 and
Integer, not minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 are integers, Surja?
positive and negative numbers. 0.
Integer, not rational numbers. 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 3 and all are rational numbers. No. 2 by 3. 2 is less than 3. Numerator is less than denominator. Then that rational number will lies between? You didn't remember? I have explained last term. If numerator is greater than denominator, that rational number will lies between Manuel. Can you say? Surja, you think? If numerator is less than denominator, that rational number will lies between which of the integers? Anyone?
From 0 and 1.
Ah, yes, 0 and 1. It lies between 0 and 1. If numerator is less than denominator, then that rational number will lies between 0 and 1. Okay, so here 2 by 3 lies between
0 and 1.
2 by 3 lies between 0 and 1. So when we are drawing a number line, this 2 by 3 will be in between 0 and 1. Okay, now this is the number line. Let this point be 0, 0. And let this be 1. You can take an equal width, any width you can take. Okay, 0 and 1. Now, we need to find the position of 2 by 3. We need to represent 2 by 3 on the number line. Okay, so say for getting 0, if denominator is 3, what will be the numerator, Parvati? For getting 0 as answer, denominator is 3, this 3. What will be on the numerator, Parvati?
smaller.
Huh?
Ma'am, 2.
Some
Smaller number.
no, wait, I will explain. I will explain. So, Parvati, denominator is 3. I need to write a number on this numerator so that the answer is 0. What will be that number? One number divided by 3 equal to 0. And what it will be? Elsa. Elsa.
Ma'am, 3.
3 by 3 is 0. Elsa, is 3 by
No.
3 0? So what it will be? Parvati?
Ma'am, 0.
0. Yes, 0 by 3 is 0. So instead of this 0, here itself I am writing 0 by 3. It is 0, no? So instead of that 0, I am writing 0 by 3. Okay. Now here, for getting 1, denominator is 3. So what will be the numerator then? 3. Because 3 by 3 is equal to 1. We know 3 by 3 equal to 1. So instead of this 1, I am writing 3 by 3. Clear? So 0 is 0 by 3. 1 is 3 by 3. Why we choose the 0 by 3 and 3 by 3? Because our denominator in the question, our question is we need to represent 2 by 3. Denominator is 3. That's why I choose 0 by 3 and 3 by 3 as 1. 0 as 0 by 3 and 1 as 3 by 3. Okay. Now you divide the distance between 0 and 1 into 3 equal parts. Divide the distance between 0 and 1 into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this point 0 is 0 by 3. This is 0 by 3. This is 3 by 3. So what will be this point? First point will be
1 by 3.
1 by 3. Very good. 1 by 3. Second point is
2 by
2 by 3. 2 by 3. So here is our 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is on the number line. So we got 2 by 3 on the number line. Okay. So what we did, first of all, find out the given rational number lies between which integers. Okay. Surja, clear? Here, numerator is less than the denominator. The rational number lies between 0 and 1. Okay. What next? We draw a number line, mark 0 and 1. Because we know that 2 by 3 lies between 0 and 1. Okay. So, and we take denominator as 3. And we can think which number can be in the numerator to get 0. We know that 0 by 3 is 0. So instead of 0, we are marking 0 by 3. In the place of 1, it is 3 by 3. Now we are dividing the distance between 0 and 1 into 3 equal parts. Why we choose 3? Because our denominator is 3. Into 3 equal parts. So this is 0 by 3. The next equal part is 1 by 3. The next one is 2 by 3. Third one is 3 by 3. That is 1. So question is to mark 2 by 3 or represent 2 by 3. So circle that 2 by 3. Okay. Draw it. Question, represent 2 by 3 on the number line. First of all, find out 2 by 3 lies between which of the two integers. Aisha? Hello, Aisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Is that clear? How to represent 2 by 3?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it over? Can I move to the next one? Ishan,
Yes, ma'am.
over?
No.
Okay, draw it. Okay, next question is, we will do 3 by 8. We will do 3 by 8. So write represent 3 by 8 on the number line. Represent 3 by 8 on the number line. First of all, find out 3 by 8 lies between which of the two integers? 3 by 8 lies between, Janal, 3 by 8 lies between which of the two integers, Janal? Janal. Karthik, 3 by 8, sorry, 3 by 8 lies between, Karthik? Karthik, 3 by 8. Janal, can you say, Janal? Janal, 3 by 8 lies between Janal or Karthik? Karthik lies between? Here, which is the numerator, Karthik?
3.
3. Denominator?
No, I didn't get it.
Denominator is
8.
8. So which is greater, numerator or denominator?
Denominator.
Denominator. If the denominator is greater than numerator, that rational number lies between, Karthik? Hmm? Hmm? Children, all of you write. This we will do later. In a rational number, if numerator is less than denominator, comma, it will lies between Nasrin, 0 and 1, 0 and 1. All of you write this sentence. Write 3 times now itself. All of you. Don't forget, in a rational number, if the numerator is less than denominator, it will lies between 0 and 1. It will lies between 0 and 1. Now itself write 3 times. Agash, read the sentence, Agash.
Ma'am, in a rational number, if numerator is less than denominator, it will lies between 0 and 1.
Emmanuel, read. Emmanuel. Read. Switch on your video, Emmanuel.
In a rational number, if number is less
Numerator,
than
numerator, Emmanuel, numerator.
denominator less than denominator is will
It will.
it will less
Between. I will write between 0 and 1. Emmanuel reads once again. Emmanuel.
in a rational number, if numerator is less than denominator, it will lies
between
0 and 1.
0 and 1. Nakul, write Emmanuel, write 3 times. Nakul, read.
In a rational number, if numerator is less than denominator, it will lie between 0 and 1.
Akash, read.
Yes, ma'am.
Nakul, write.
Ma'am.
Akash. Yes, Akash. Akash. No. Gauri, read.
Yes, ma'am. In a rational number, if numerator is less than denominator, it will lie between 0 and 1.
Okay. Did you all write 3 times?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Now we will, our question is, represent 3 by 8 on the number line. So, Anna, 3 by 8 lies between, here 3 by 8 is lies between, Anna, between which of the two integers?
0 and 1.
0 and 1 lies between 0 and 1. All of you write, lies between 0 and 1. So 0 can be written as denominator is 8. Our denominator is 8. So we choose denominator is 8. So numerator is 0. And 1, for getting 1, denominator 8, numerator is 8. Numerator is 8. Okay. Now we are going to draw the number line. Draw a line. Take 1 point, this point as 0. 0. We need to take how many equal parts? Equal parts will be equal to the denominator of the given rational number. 8 equal parts. So take 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that will be 8 by 8, that is 1. This is 0 by 8. Okay, 0 by 8. So this first point will be what? 0 by 8. Then next, this will be
1 by 8.
1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8. What was our question? Question is 3 by 8. So mark 3 by 8. Wasim? Wasim?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? How to draw, how to mark a rational number
Yes, ma'am.
on number line? Okay, here 2 by 3 and 3 by 8 both lies between 0 and 1. Now between other integers we will do after this. Children, is that clear all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Nasreen, let me see your book. Nasreen.
Yes, ma'am.
Nasreen,
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
show,
ma'am.
show. Number line. Okay, okay, okay. Now, Sneha, Sneha, show yours. Sneha, Sneha, Aisha, Aisha, show your book, Aisha. Aisha, can you hear me? Gauri, show your book.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Aisha, let me see. Okay, okay, correct. Okay, Gauri, Gauri, show. Okay, good. Okay. Wasim, Wasim,
Yes, ma'am.
show yours. Wasim, Wasim,
Yes, ma'am.
show yours. Wasim, you don't have scale and pencil, Wasim? Huh? Wasim, you don't have scale and pencil?
Yes,
Hmm?
ma'am.
Yeah. Then why you didn't use scale and pencil? Wasim, you do one thing. After this class, draw these two figures using scale and pencil and send to my WhatsApp. Okay, Wasim?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes,
Huh?
ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now next question. Next one. Okay. Next one. Represent 7 by 4 on the number line. Represent 7 by 4 on the number line. Represent 7 by 4 on the number line. Seven by 4 on the number line. So here numerator is more than denominator. So it's not lies between 0 and 1. Numerator is more. Okay. So here you have to find out 7 by 4 lies between which of the integers? By dividing. Wait. I will. Who's this? Can I, Agash?
Ma'am, else.
Elsa, you wait. Please wait. Okay. So children, you find out by division. Find out 7 by 4 lies between which of the two integers? Find out. How many times 4 can go in 7? Renan, divide 7 by 4. Renan, how many times 4 can go in this?
1 time.
Renan?
1 time.
1, yes, 1. So 1 point, decimal value 1 point. So it is more than 1 and less than, Akash, more than 1 and less than?
Less than 0.
Less than? 0, 1, 0, 1, 2. So a number is more than 1 decimal number, and it will be less than which integer? 1 point will come. So it will be less than which integer? More than 1 and less than? Shreya? Less than?
Less than 2.
Less than 2. Less than 2. Decimal number 1.456. Such numbers will be more than 1 point. And it will be less than 2, 1.87. Greater than 1, but less than 2. 1.98. Greater than 1. Less than 2. Clear? Nagul, clear? Okay. So here 7 by 4 is 1 point. Okay, after 1 decimal value starts. So it is more than 1 but less than 2. So we will write 7 by 4 lies between
1 and 2.
1 and 2.
1 and 2, lies between 1 and 2. 7 by 4 lies between 1 and 2. Next is, we need to get 1. Denominator is 4. Numerator will be 4. And next integer is 2. Denominator is 4. Numerator will be
8.
very good. See, 4 by 4 is 1. 8 by 4 is 2. Okay. Now, number line. Draw a line. Okay. So, this is 1. Our 7 by 4 lies between 1 and 2. So, we will mark 1. Then, how many equal space we need to put? How many equal parts? 4. Why? Why we choose denominator is 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, this is 2. That is, this is 4 by 4. This is 8 by 4. 2 is 8 by 4. 1 is 4 by 4. Now, 4 equal parts. Mark that also. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 1 is 4 by 4. The next point is, this point represent
5 by 4.
5 by 5 by 4. This point
6 by 4.
6 by 4. This one
7 by 4.
7 by 4. What is our question? We need to represent which rational number?
7 by 4.
7 by 4. So our answer is 7 by 4. Circle it. Number line, put arrow on both sides. 7 by 4. Okay, we will do more problems on next class. Okay, for that you will have homework. Represent 6 by, no, 5 by 3. Homework questions. Represent 5 by 3. Represent 5 by 3, comma 3 by 8, 3 by 8, and 4 by 9 on the number line. On the number line. Do it as homework. Represent 5 by 3, 3 by 8, 4 by 5, 4 by 9 on the number line. Next class we will do some more problems to represent rational numbers on number line. Okay. Shall we wind up? Okay, children. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.